So hello guys and welcome to my channels. Today again I am back with another important numericals and basic electrical engineering. So here you can see a numerical on the screen, and here it is proposed to work in series two lamp at their related power of 100 watt 200 volt and 40 watt 220 volt on a 400 voltage supply by connecting a resistor R in parallel with a 40 watt lamp. Find the value of R if the total power drawn from the supply is 400 watt. And here two lamp, and the lamp L1 has rating of 100 watt and 200 volt. Similarly, lamp L2 has rating of 40 watt and 220 volt, and a 440 volt supply is given here. And here a resistor R is connected in parallel with 40 watt lamp, means lamp L2. See, suppose this is lamp L1 and this is lamp L2, and here R is connected in parallel with this lamp, this 40 watt lamp. And suppose the resistance across lamp L1 is R1 and the resistance of second lamp is R2, and here R is connected in parallel with this R2, and here we need to determine the value of R. And here also the power drawn from the supply is given as here 40 watt in this question. So here we will use this formula used here, P is equals to V square upon R. So first we need to determine the value of R1 and R2. So here in order to calculate the value of R1 and R2, here we can use R1, and here R1 will be, since we are using this formula P is equals to V square upon R, so R will be V square upon P. So R will be in place of, so for first lamp here we have 100 watt and 200 volt given here. So R1 will be 200 square upon 100. So here we can write 200 square upon 100, and this is going to give 400 ohm. Similarly, we can calculate R2 as R2 will be, since the rating for R2 is given as 40 watt and 220 volt, so R2 will be here 220 square upon this 40 watt lamp, so 40, and this is going to give 1210 ohm. Now here, since here you can see, since the power drawn from the supply is 400 watt, so you can write, since the power drawn from the supply is 400 watt given. So here we will use the formula as P equals to V square upon V square upon R equivalent. Here we will use R equivalent. So here in place of P, where we have 400 watt given, so 400 equals to, and in place of V we have here 440 voltage source is given, so 440 square upon R equivalent here, and here R equivalent can be written as R equivalent equals to, here you can write 440 square upon this 400. Now here we need to determine the R equivalent, and here we can see in the circuit R equivalent will be R1 plus and the parallel combination this R2 and R. So R1 plus R2 will be in parallel with this R. So here you can write, and in place of R1 we have calculated the value as 400 ohms, and in place of R2 we have 1210 ohms. So here in place of R1 we have 400, so you can write here 400 plus, and now this R2 and R is in parallel, so in place of R2 we have obtained the value as 1210. So 12 10, and this is parallel to R, and that is equals to here 440 square upon 400. Now if we solve this, we will get the value of R from here. So here the value of R will be and here the value of R will be 90.27. Here I have already got the solutions, so I am directly writing the value. So just solve this. 400 plus 1210 is parallel to R, and that is equals to 440 square upon 400. So we will get the value of R as 90.27 ohms. So this is our required answers. Hope you enjoyed the lectures. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.